Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Tish. I am a full-time working mom of 2, and here on my channel I love to share everything event planning, lifestyle, DIY, upcycle, just everything, okay? But I am committing this month to post a little bit more here on YouTube because I have not been consistent, and I love YouTube. So I am committing the next month to post a video every single day. This is beyond my comfort zone. It kind of scares me, but this is something that I definitely want to do. So I have been working on content. Some of them will be vlogs. Some of them will be craft with me's, planning with me's. I mean, a Mod Podge of content is coming your way every single day in October. Some call it Vlogtober. I don't know what I will call it because this month means a lot to me. It's my birthday month, so I really wanted to push myself this year to do a little bit more consistent posting and to connect with many of you here on YouTube. So today's video is going to be about this very simple tablescape that I put together with, when I say inexpensive items, and I absolutely love how it turned out. It's my way of starting this Vlogtober off. I'll come up with a name, or if you can think of a birthday themed challenge for me to call this for the next 31 days, let me know down in the comment area. But I'm going to stop rambling and share my very simple fall tablescape with you. And if you haven't already, like the video before I get started and subscribe if you have not. I would love to connect with you more here on YouTube. Okay, let's get this party started. At Ross for $4.99. And I love the mercury glass look to it. And then all of these blooms came from Dollar Tree. Right when they put them out, I saw them. I know that I said I wasn't going to do oranges and things this year, but I really liked the monochromatic tone of these and the golden color. I love that, and I think it goes really well with the mercury vase. And I did not use any foam inside of this vase. It is strictly stems. See, I just arranged the stems in here because I wanted to do this very quick and easy, and I love how it turned out. And I used 4 of these. And I just stuck them in for additional texture and height. These leaves with the berries, I put those in there for a different look. And then the other ones just have these mums, and I'm not sure if they are mums, but this cream bloom. And I just place them around to my liking, all around the vase. And I wanted these to be more in the center. Very, very simple, and I want to say thrown together, but I mean, the thrown together looked really good. And that's the centerpiece right there. It's nice and full, and it gave me something for this table because I did not know what I wanted to do with the table. And I had just so happened to purchase these and tried it out. As I add the finishing touches to the table, I'll share some of the places where I purchased these items, like this velvet pumpkin placemat I purchased at Big Lots for $4. The gold charger came from Dollar Tree for $1. And this pumpkin plate that I absolutely love and was the inspiration for the table came from Dollar Tree. The little glam pumpkin that I set on top of the plate is from Walmart, and the gold flatware is actually plastic, and I purchased it from Walmart in the wedding planning section. I want to say there was a set of 50 with the fork, knife, and spoon for $5. The candle holders also came from Dollar Tree, and the flameless candles came from Dollar Tree, and they actually flicker, and I love that touch. It was a set of 2, so that is something you could also consider for not just your tables but other areas in your home if you want to not worry about flames. These smaller white pumpkins came as a cluster and would be perfect for a vase. I just separated the pack and added a few to the center of the table on top of not a table runner because I could not find the right one, but I just put together 2 placemats that I had on hand and put them in the center of the table to serve as a table runner. So I purchased these silver spoon vintage goblets, and they have the gold stand. Can you see those? I purchased these at Ross for $3.99, and I think that it will give a good addition to this tablescape because I do have flatware on the table, but the good thing about these, can you hear that? They're plastic. They're faux silverware, and I love that. I keep these on hand so I can toss these out because no one is going to be sitting here at the table. So I am going to open these and add these to the tablescape. I also purchased a champagne glass, but I think I am going to use those for a party. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to connecting with you here on YouTube. Until next time, have a great day.